Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.
9th August 2022, the East Khasi Hills Anti-Narcotics Task Force, along with the police officials of the Sadar police station and women police officials of Shillong, had jointly conducted a raid at the Polo Bazaar, where a good amount of drugs and cash were recovered from occupants of stalls in the area. Apart from more than a score of drug peddlers nabbed on the same morning, womenfolk were also taken away by police officials for a medical test to ascertain their involvement in the drug menace in the area.
$10 रुपए के लिए बोलता है साला। अभी हम सब